Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can truly transform your life. It's not about some crazy new supplement or biohacking trend, it's about something ancient, something powerful. Meditation. Now I know what you might be thinking, meditation? That's for hippies and yogis. But trust me on this one, this practice goes way beyond the stereotypes. Stick around to discover 5 surprising benefits of daily meditation. Let's talk about stress, man. It's everywhere, it's relentless, and it's absolutely killing us. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, stress is like an unwelcome companion that just won't leave us alone. We're talking heart disease, anxiety, insomnia, the whole 9 yards. It's like a domino effect. One thing leads to another, and before you know it, you're caught in a vicious cycle of stress and health issues. But here's the thing. Meditation is like a secret weapon against this modern-day monster. It's not just about sitting in silence. It's about finding a moment of peace in the chaos. It's like this. You know when you're in the middle of a crazy day and everything's going sideways and you just want to scream? Meditation is that pause button you desperately need. Meditation is like hitting the pause button on all that chaos. It's about taking a moment to breathe, to center yourself and to find a bit of calm in the storm. It's about taking a step back from the edge, taking a deep breath, and just letting go of all that tension. Imagine standing on a mountain trail, taking in the fresh air, and feeling the weight lift off your shoulders. And the science backs this up, man. Studies show that meditation actually lowers your cortisol levels. Cortisol is that pesky stress hormone that puts your body in fight or flight mode. Cortisol is like the stress hormone, the one that puts your body in fight or flight mode. When you're constantly stressed, your cortisol levels are through the roof, and that's not good for your health. So, by reducing cortisol, meditation chills you out, brings you back from the brink, and helps you deal with stress in a much healthier way. It's like giving your mind and body a much-needed break, allowing you to recharge and face the world with a clearer, calmer perspective. We live in a world of distractions, right? It's like everywhere you turn, there's something vying for your attention. I mean, think about it. Phones buzzing, notifications popping up every second, emails piling up, social media blowing up. And it's not just the digital world, it's insane. It's like our attention spans are being pulled in a million different directions. The constant noise, the hustle and bustle, it can be overwhelming. But here's where meditation comes in. It's like training your mind to be a laser beam of focus. Imagine being able to cut through all that chaos with a calm, clear mind. Think about it like this. Imagine your mind is a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Just like you would train your body at the gym, you can train your mind with meditation. Meditation is like going to the mental gym for your attention span. It's about building that mental strength and resilience. It's about learning to quiet the noise, to block out all those distractions, and to zero in on what really matters. It's a skill that takes practice, but the rewards are immense, and the benefits are huge, man. You can finally power through that to-do list, crush it at work, and actually be present in your conversations. Imagine being fully engaged and attentive, not just physically present, but mentally sharp. It's like upgrading your mental software, man. You're not just getting by, you're thriving. Meditation helps you tap into a deeper level of focus and clarity, making you more effective and fulfilled in everything you do. We all go through tough times, right? Life throws curveballs, things happen, it's part of the deal. Sometimes it feels like we're just trying to keep our heads above water, juggling responsibilities, relationships, and our own personal struggles. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but here's the thing, meditation can help you navigate those choppy, emotional waters. It's not just about sitting quietly, it's about finding a moment of peace amidst the chaos. Imagine having a tool that helps you stay grounded no matter what life throws at you. It's like having a built-in emotional regulator, man. When you meditate, you give yourself the space to breathe, to reset, and to approach your problems with a clearer mind. It's a way to recharge your emotional batteries. Think about it, when you're feeling anxious or down, what do you usually do? Often, we get stuck in our heads, replaying the same worries over and over. It's like being trapped in a mental maze with no way out. You get caught up in those negative thought loops, right? It's a cycle that's hard to break. You might find yourself pacing, unable to focus, or just feeling lost in your own thoughts. It's like your mind becomes a broken record of worry and self-doubt. Every little thing can start to feel like a big deal, and before you know it, you're spiraling. But meditation helps you break free from those destructive patterns. It teaches you to step back and observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. It's a practice that brings clarity and calm. It's about learning to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, to see them for what they are, just thoughts and feelings, not facts. This perspective can be incredibly liberating, to just let them pass through you like waves in the ocean. Imagine your mind as a vast sea, and your thoughts as waves that rise and fall. They come and go, but they don't define you. And as you become more aware of your emotional state, you start to notice patterns and triggers. This awareness is the first step towards change. You can start to choose how you respond to challenges. Instead of reacting impulsively, you can take a moment to breathe and decide the best course of action. It's like taking back control of your inner world. With regular practice, meditation can transform your emotional landscape, making you more resilient, more centered, and more at peace with yourself. Let's be real, good sleep is crucial, right? It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. But how many of us actually get a solid night's sleep? We're talking tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, waking up feeling groggy. It's a common problem, but meditation can be a game changer. It's like a natural sleep aid, without the side effects. Think about it, what keeps you up at night? It's usually those racing thoughts, those worries about tomorrow, that endless mental chatter. Meditation helps you quiet that internal dialogue, to calm the storm in your mind. It's like creating a peaceful sanctuary for your brain to unwind and recharge. And when your mind is at ease, your body can finally relax and drift off into a deep, restful sleep. We're constantly bombarded with information, opinions, and expectations from the outside world, right? It's easy to lose sight of who we are, what we believe, what truly matters to us. But meditation, it helps you cut through all that noise and reconnect with your inner compass. It's like embarking on a journey of self-discovery, man. Think about it, when you meditate, you're spending time alone with your thoughts and feelings, with no distractions, no external influences. It's like holding up a mirror to your soul. And in that quiet space, you start to gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your motivations, your values, your aspirations. It's like peeling back the layers of conditioning and discovering the real you, the one you were always meant to be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep sharing this kind of content with you. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing content on how to improve your life. We'll explore everything from fitness and nutrition to mindfulness and personal growth. See you in the next video.